Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how you can replace the float cord on the 9550 Sport vacuum cleaner for the pool. Let's start it. It's better you take the filter out on your vacuum cleaner. So after you took this 4 screw out, so we have to turn this. I already turned it apart. So to take this part out, you have to turn this, open this part. So take that cover off. It was a screw here. I took that screw off. It was here. So this part came off. It was the other side. And now you have to slide this fan, the motor in to take the back cover off. So now to get to the cord, you have to take these 2 screws out, one here, one over there. There you go. I took the handle out. This is the handle. It came off. So now we have to take one. This one is already off. That one is already off. So we have 2 more screws. One here, one over there. You have to take that off. So I took those 4 screws off, and now we just take the top off. There you go. We just ordered online. There you go. I just run the new cable. We put the top back. Now we're gonna connect this to here, so it's secured. And now we're gonna put the motor back here. Before you put the motor back, so make sure you tie this 2 screws here, and after that we put the motor back and tied another 2 screws here. Alright, I put this cover and I put the screw back, so everything is secure and we're ready to go. So I'm gonna put the filter back here and I put the handle back. That's it. It was very simple. Everyone can do it. And thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe my channel. I will show you how to fix a problem around your home. Have a great day.